In this tutorial, you will learn the basics of editing while in the daily log import within SnapPlus. The daily log can be used to update applications in SnapPlus using field Manure application records. In the daily log screen, the Manure application records may be entered by importing them from an Excel spreadsheet or by hand entering them on the screen. See the daily log import video for more information. This video describes the process for editing data while in the daily log import dialog. The first step is to fix the data that is detailed in the dialog box. There are field names and manure sources that can't be found on this farm. This may be due to a slight spelling error. Care should be taken when creating your import file to minimize these problems. See the daily log import video for more information. Notice that you may keep the dialog box open while you edit the grid. The highlighted field names indicate the fields that are not in the SnapPlus farm as spelled. The unmatched manure sources will show up as blanks on the grid. You may sort the field names by clicking on the Field ID header cell. The first click will sort in descending order. Click the header again to sort in ascending order. You select data to edit by first clicking on a cell with data to be changed. Then, while holding the Control key down, click on the other cells that need to be edited with the same value. You may deselect a selected cell by holding the Control key down and clicking on the cell to be deselected. When all of your cells have been selected, right mouse click on the Field ID column header. Right mouse clicking on the header will display a combo box dialog with all the field names for the farm. Use the combo box to select the proper field name, then click OK. Notice the field names have changed in the value selected. You may also select multiple rows by clicking on the first cell to be changed. Then, while holding the left mouse button down, drag your mouse to the last of the group of values to be changed. Notice that all of the cells in between the first and last row have been selected. This method only works if your data are sorted and all the cells are together. Remember that you may deselect a selected cell by holding the Control key down and clicking on the cell to be deselected. To edit the mismatched manure sources, use the same method as before. Click on the first row with a mismatched manure source. While holding the Control key down, select the rest of the rows that should have the same manure source. When all of your cells have been selected, right mouse click on the manure source column header. Right mouse clicking on the header will display a combo box dialog with all of the manure sources. Use the combo box to select the proper manure source. Notice the manure sources have changed to the value selected. It may be beneficial to sort a column before editing multiple cells in that column. You may use the same editing method for text cells. Notice that a text box entry dialog is presented for data entry. These are the basics of multi-cell editing when using the daily log import dialog. Refer to the other daily log videos for more information.